I love a campfire, but what I don't love is the hassle, the cleanup, or my hair and clothes smelling like smoke for days, even after washing. When I heard about Ninja's Fireside 360 smokeless fire pit, I knew I would love this at my house. If you have ever been around a traditional campfire, you know there are dead spots where your face gets really hot, but your toes are freezing cold. I hate that. But with the Fireside 360's new technology, the heat is head to toe in every seat and smokeless. I didn't know it was possible for me to want to spend even more time outside, but with this fire pit, I am out here every single night. You can click the link in my bio to see it for yourself.